There's a lot to talk about. A lot. Let's get into it right now. We still have winter storm watches across the north and up into southwestern Colorado, you guys, and we're going to talk in real detail about what's going to happen with this storm. Over the past couple of days, we've been talking about how there's a great deal of mystery with all of this because a lot of the models are kind of jumping all over the place. Tonight, we're starting to get a better feel for what's likely to happen here. So as you can see, the area is shaded in blue. That's where we have our winter storm watches. I would not be surprised if we end up seeing winter storm watches eventually hoisted for the East Mountains here by the Weather Service as we start to get more indications that there could be a little bullseye over the East Mountains for some heavier snow. And I also wouldn't be surprised if the Jemez Mountains too get into this mix too, because we're going to have enough juice, it looks like, to support some decent snowfall amounts there. But most of the action right now focused on the I-25 corridor and especially the east slopes of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. 54 degrees in the metro right now. Southwest winds at 8 miles an hour. Things relatively quiet. First little blast of cool air has gone into the northeast. That'll calm down, and then tomorrow will actually be a decent day out here. Temperatures now 30s, 40s, 50s, and some 60s. We're going to see a relatively quiet day tomorrow with partly cloudy skies and just the slight chance at a snow shower over the north, but then things really ramp up on Sunday. So here's your storm report right now. Storm is dropping into the west as we speak. Timing is now Sunday through Monday that we're watching with this first round. Heavy mountain snows to the north, especially the east-facing slopes for the highest amounts. Snow showers and wind here in the metro area and much colder temps statewide. Now, the bust potential on this is going to stay fairly high at 45%, so close to a 50-50 bust potential. We still like this storm, but here's part of the issue we're dealing with this particular system. Let's talk about what it's going to do here first. Now, some of the best dynamics of this system are going to go to our north, so we're not going to see much of that. But what we will see is a front sliding its way on through here, and unlike the last system, what we get out of this one is a prolonged flow, which leads to heavier snow. So we're looking at 24 hours of a flow that could well work its way up into the mountains here. And the reason that's so beneficial is because you take that moisture and you ride it up over the cold air. It's an efficient way to make snow, and it's an efficient way for the east slopes to get hit hard and for the northeast to pick up some good snow amounts as well. Now, here in the metro, we're going to get some really gusty winds on Sunday, but a few showers will be a possibility and maybe some snow showers mixed in here. But it's a little maddening because some of the models are really far apart on what's going to happen here. Here's the one we like the most, which shows the possibility of 3 to 6 inches in the northeast highlands. As you get up along the east slopes of the northern mountains, 8+ inches, as much as 16 inches of snow in places like the Moreno Valley. And if you get up around, say, Durango Mountain Resort, we could well be looking at 12 to 18 inches of snow out of this storm. However, there are other models that say that model's wrong and we're not going to get nearly that much snow. A lot of it's going to push off to the north and we're not going to see as much. We don't like this as much, but it still is one of those things that gives you pause for concern, and that's part of what raises our bust potential, just to give you a look inside what we look at. Now, as far as what we get beyond this system, well, actually, the system itself kind of backs off and sits to our west for the beginning of next week, and it actually comes cranking through the state by around Monday or Tuesday. So we'll have another chance for some rain and snow showers then, and then another system later on in the work week, and another one into next weekend. So what does this tell us? It tells us we stay in the storm track, and things look pretty good here for packing in some snow over the next week or so. Let's go region by region. North of Durango and Pagosa Springs, you guys are going to crank up some serious snow amounts starting late tomorrow, but continuing into Monday. Across the northwest, we're looking at showers here late Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday in a scattered fashion. Southwest, mostly sunny skies for tomorrow with temperatures mainly in the 70s. Over to the southeast, relatively quiet tomorrow, increasing clouds for Sunday, and the possibility of snow showers into Monday. Northeast, let's crank it up Sunday and into Monday with very cold temperatures. Meanwhile, over into the northern mountains, mostly cloudy with some scattered snow showers tomorrow. Heavier stuff Sunday and into Monday morning. East Mountains, partly cloudy, some gusty winds, and then snow in the East Mountains on Sunday as well. That could last into Monday. And into the metro area, temperatures going to be sharply colder Sunday and Monday. Look at those numbers now. In the 40s Sunday and Monday with gusty winds. Metro area, it is going to be windy on Sunday. It's going to be cold, and we're going to have the chance of some showers, and that could well continue into next week as well.
That's drastically different. All right, thank you, Mark.